What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lil Red, and we're back again with another video. Yes, we're about to do an unboxing today. Before you get into this video, make sure y'all like this video and subscribe, period. So before we get into this video, y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all a little bit about this company. Y'all probably already know who I'm talking about, but they giving out free shit, and you know, I'm trying to hook y'all up. So this is a company called Topbox. I've been working with them for like a year and a half or two. So they always be sending me shit. I love it. Like makeup products, skincare, nail care, all types of stuff. But I just want to hook y'all up. Before we get in this video, I'm going to tell y'all a little bit how to do it. So when you go on the website, you go to Topbox and you sign up, you get email and stuff like that. I put in a picture so they know what I look like. So when you sign up, you can put in stuff like about your income and stuff, your hobbies, what you like, what you don't like, and stuff like that. That's how they know which boxes to send y'all, and they may pick you and they may not. I don't know, it depends on the company, you know, how they feeling, if they want to send you out stuff. I've been getting some good stuff. Thank y'all, Topbox. I love y'all. Y'all to go, you know, because that's how I be getting all my skincare products, my makeup products, body products and stuff like that. So y'all better head on over there and, you know, sign up to them. So I want to show y'all what they gave me today. This is the box right here. This is the Dove box. Somebody got in my dang on box, y'all, and put a hole in it. So we're about to open this up. This is the Up Shower Your Body with Face Care Night Recovery Scent. So as we're opening it up, this is what the box looks like. It comes with the product and then 2 cards. The first product that I got is the body cleanser, because I haven't smelled them yet. They smell like Dove products. What they always smell like, but this one smells good. Got 10-time moisture boost complex in it, non-sulfates, but sometimes they be having that stuff in there, so you got to be careful. And then they gave me the body polish, and we love this stuff because my skin is dry and I be having flakes and stuff, and I think this stuff really works because when I use this every day, it makes my skin glow, makes my skin shine. But this is for dry, worn down skin. This is what it look like. I kind of like the ones with like the more harsher beads, but I like these ones too. This one seems like it's more soothing on your skin, but we can work with this one too. So it smells good. I think I would use this only for nighttime because it just looks like the purple is for nighttime. It says smooth and defines dry, worn down skin, infuses moisturize for a beautiful reset skin in the morning. It says in the shower, massage a generous amount on skin, focusing on dry, worn down skin. Then number 2, that was number 1. Number 2 is leave on for 1 minute to infuse moisture. Number 3 is follow with Dove Body Love Body Cleanser to lock in moisture. You know, we can follow them steps. It has a card in here, and they got like Q&A and stuff on the back and stuff like that. And then this is the Topbox card. It says, congratulations, you have a new mission. Log into your Topbox Circle account and complete the steps to finish your mission. Check your dashboard for the date. I be getting my stuff done on time. Soon as my stuff come in, I wait like a week and then, you know, get my stuff in because I don't want to miss any opportunities. I want to get all the good stuff and all the luxury stuff because you know what? We deserve it. We all deserve it. Topbox is what you want to sign up for. So y'all need to go there and sign up for these products because, you know, it helps you out because I'm on a budget. That was it for this video. Make sure y'all like this video, comment down below and subscribe. So I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye, y'all.